Hey, what's up, Anchor Gym fans? Shawn here. Hey, I get a lot of questions about how do you train your quads on the system. So I'm going to show you a really cool exercise. It's called the Sissy squat, and it really targets your quads. It's kind of like a leg extension with your own body weight. So you got the strap right here. This is the body weight strap, okay? And you're going to basically use this and hold on to it. And let me demonstrate the exercise for you now. You guys can check it out. All right. So again, this exercise is called the Sissy squat. Okay. So here we go. And you lean back and you extend, and you're using the body weight strap for balance. Really, that's pretty much it. I usually do 20 to 30 reps. And by then my quads are screaming. So I usually do 3 sets or 4 sets, 30, 25, 20, 15. If I feel like doing more, I'll keep going. But I kind of go high reps and then I just kind of pare it down. So anyway, those are great quad exercises, really isolates your quads so you can get a great quad workout on the system, the Anchor Gym. All right, guys. Stay fit.